UICC has made great progress in the last 2 years. We were able to redefine our purpose. Why do we have UICC and what are we about to do? And our purpose is to unite the cancer community to do 3 things: to lower the global burden of cancer, to promote greater equity in cancer control, and to make sure that the cancer has its right place on the global health and development agenda. And we were very lucky to have the entire board of directors support the purpose statement and develop a long-term strategy to enable the delivery on this purpose. And we also articulated our ambitions. We want to be the global membership organization uniting all the cancer stakeholders in the world, but also including other sectors of healthcare and outside health, realizing that we need broad-based multi-sectoral partnerships to deliver. We also want to have many more members. The target for the next few years is a 1,000-member organization and going further. And we articulated the 3 main pillars for our long-term strategy. One of them would be to mobilize global resources, to make sure that we're the source of the templates and guidelines that we produce global public goods for the world to use, to do knowledge synthesis of existing knowledge, to stimulate data collection, to stimulate research. The second big pillar is to measure the progress and stimulate action. So work together with our partners, especially with IARC, to gather the data, to necessary evidence, and then make sure that it's used for action to reduce the global burden of cancer. And stimulating this knowledge would include doing some kind of annual state of cancer report, holding the other agency world accountable and holding ourselves accountable for measuring the progress against really crunchy metrics and specific targets. And the third big pillar is to inspire a movement. We realize that it's not enough to have evidence, not enough to have knowledge and goodwill, but you actually have to inspire a movement. That means getting more members. That means developing young leaders program, engaging young people. That means engaging partners in industry, partners in governments, partners in NCD Alliance, partners in other sectors, and then making sure that we have a very loud voice, and as Stephen Lewis told us in plenary session today, be less polite about stimulating progress in cancer control.